Good morning, children. Welcome to Read and Learn. Today we're going to read story number 4. Let's read, children. Sandy's dad had to go away for work, and she missed him a lot. He had always been there to play with her and read her bedtime stories, but now he was gone for a long time and everything felt different. Sandy tried to keep herself busy by playing with her toys and spending time with her mom, but she still missed her dad. Sandy decided to make a special project for her dad while he was away. So she spent hours drawing him pictures and making him a card. She also talked to her mom about how she was feeling, and they came up with a plan to have regular video calls with her dad. Soon enough, Sandy started to feel more positive. She was proud of the special project she had made for her dad, and she looked forward to their video calls. She knew that missing her dad was hard, but she found ways to stay connected with him despite their distance from each other. Now, children, answer the following questions. Good job, children!